Want to stock your pantry with garden fresh food all year long? Canning is easier than you think, and today, I'll show you how to get started. First, choose your vegetables. Great beginner options include green beans, carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Make sure they're fresh, firm, and washed well. Next, prep your jars. Use clean mason jars and sterilize them by boiling or washing in hot, soapy water. This step is crucial for food safety and preserving quality. Depending on the vegetable, you'll use either water bath canning or pressure canning. Use water bath for high-acid foods like tomatoes or pickles. Use a pressure canner for low-acid veggies like carrots or green beans to avoid bacteria. This method ensures that your food remains safe and delicious. Pack the veggies into jars, leaving the right amount of headspace. Add any seasonings, vinegar, or brine as needed. Then seal with sterilized lids. Process the jars in boiling water or the pressure canner for the correct time, based on your vegetable and jar size. Timing is key for proper preservation. Once they're done, let the jars cool and listen for the pop. That means they've sealed. This sound is your assurance that the canning process was successful. Label, store in a cool, dark place, and enjoy your shelf-stable veggies for months to come. This method allows you to savor garden fresh flavors year-round. Canning is one of the best ways to preserve your harvest and stay prepared naturally. Follow Greenstead Life for more homesteading and pantry prep tips.